Peaches, with their velvety skin and succulent flesh, are more than just a summer fruit delight. Originating from China over 8,000 years ago, these stone fruits have woven their way into the fabric of cultures and cuisines around the globe. Belonging to the family that includes plums, apricots, cherries, and almonds, peaches offer a harmonious blend of sweet and tart flavors, making them versatile in both culinary applications and traditional remedies. Hi friends, welcome back to Implicit Memory. Here in this video we will explore peaches and its medicinal benefits. Not making any further delay, let's start the video. Each peach is a compact source of vital nutrients, offering vitamins A, C, E, and K, along with essential minerals like potassium, which is crucial for heart function, and magnesium, important for muscle health and sleep. Peaches are laden with antioxidants, such as vitamin C and carotenoids, that help neutralize free radicals, reducing oxidative stress and inflammation, thereby lowering the risk of various chronic conditions. The dietary fiber found in peaches helps to regulate the digestive system, promoting regular bowel movements and contributing to a healthy gut flora, which is essential for a robust digestive health. Nutrients in peaches can protect the skin from damage and improve its ability to retain moisture, leading to a smoother, more radiant complexion. This is particularly due to the vitamin C and antioxidants that support skin repair and hydration. The presence of antioxidants like polyphenol in peaches has been associated with a reduced risk of certain cancers. These compounds help in neutralizing harmful free radicals and may inhibit tumor growth and spread. Despite their natural sweetness, peaches have a relatively low glycemic index, making them a fruit choice that can help stabilize blood sugar levels, thanks to their fiber content and bioactive compounds. Peaches may offer relief from allergy symptoms by preventing the release of histamines, which are chemicals your body produces in response to allergens, thus potentially reducing sneezing, itching, and other allergy-related discomforts. The beta-carotene in peaches, which the body converts into vitamin A, is essential for maintaining healthy vision, protecting the eyes from age-related damage, and may help in preventing diseases like macular degeneration. Being naturally sweet, low in calories, and high in fiber, peaches are a satisfying snack that can fit into a weight management or wellness plan. They help you feel full longer, aiding in the reduction of overall calorie intake. By incorporating peaches into your diet, you might see a reduction in risk factors associated with heart disease. The fiber, potassium, and vitamin C in peaches all support heart health by reducing blood pressure and cholesterol levels. Peaches are a testament to nature's generosity, offering a bounty of health benefits beneath their blush-hued exteriors. Whether enjoyed fresh, baked into desserts, or incorporated into savory dishes, peaches provide a delicious way to enhance your diet and tap into their myriad of medical benefits. So, next time you savor a peach, remember it's not just a treat for your taste buds but a boon for your health. So friends, if you find this video informative, give it thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe us for more videos, press the bell icon to get the latest updates. Stay healthy and soon meet you in the next video. Thanks for watching.